Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's class, I'm going to talk about a topic that is very popular, a topic that is being solved from all grades, and this topic is called fractions. Now, fractions simply represent a part of a whole. That is, if you have a full orange, that is a big orange, and once you divide that orange into two equal parts, now that orange has become a fraction because one part of the orange that you have divided into two has become a part of a whole orange, and once you add them together it becomes a full orange. So that is what fractions simply represent, and fraction is written in the form of a over b, that is a divides b, where a is simply called the numerator and b is called the denominator. A fraction indicates the division of the numerator by the denominator. That is everything you simply need to know about fractions. Now, there are different types of fraction in which I'm going to walk you through right here in this part of this video. Now, right here guys, this video is divided into various sections, and this section is about the introduction to fraction. What fraction simply means, the types of fraction, and every little thing you simply need to know about fraction. Alright, so right here guys, we have types of fraction. So the first types of fraction I'm going to talk about is this fraction called the proper fraction. Now, a proper fraction simply means the numerator is less than the denominator. That is, the number at the top is less than the number at the bottom, because the number on top means numerator and the number bottom means denominator. And examples of such number we have 3 over 5 and 7 over 9. Now right here guys, these are some examples of proper fraction. Now the next type of fraction we have is this fraction called the improper fractions. Now, improper fraction, the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Now, if the numerator is higher or bigger than the denominator, we call this an improper fraction. And if both the numerator and the denominator are equal, that is, they have the same digits, now we call this kind of number improper fraction. So guys, you can easily take a look at the differences between a proper fraction and an improper fraction. A proper fraction, the numerator is less than, while an improper fraction, the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. We also have in the next one, which is mixed numbers. Alright guys, we have the mixed numbers, which is the two types of fraction. Now, a mixed number is simply a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. It comprises of a whole number, and a whole number we have 1, 2, 3. That is a whole number, and a mixed number is a combination of both whole number and the proper fraction. Example, we have 2 whole number 1 over 3. Now that is what we that's how we call this type of a number, 2 whole number 1 over 3. Now this is an example of a mixed number. So when you have a number that looks exactly like this, you call this a mixed number. We also have lastly type of fraction, which is the equivalent fractions. Different fractions that represent the same value as well is known as equivalent fraction. For example, we have this number right here, 2 over 4, which is a proper fraction. It is equivalent to 1 over 2. That simply means when you divide 2 over 4 and you divide 1 over 2, apparently you are going to have the same answer. Try this out. If you have 2 divide 4, we give you 0.5, and 1 divide 2, we give you 0.5. So try this out and see that an equivalent fraction are different fractions that represent the same value. So guys, that is all you simply need to know about the introduction to fraction, the definition, and the types of fraction. So right here guys, in the next video, I'm going to walk you through the simplification of fraction, how you can simply simplify fraction to its lowest term, reduce a fraction to its lowest term. So guys, just stay tuned, and if you are not yet subscribed, I do not know what you're waiting for. Click on the subscribe button and change your mindset to mathematics, and I'm going to see you in the next video.